guys, so I'm going to try and show you this the best I can. I've got it angled over the headlight. This is a T27 Torx. There's one screw here and I can't actually get the camera in behind the angle here, but there's a plastic clip around about here where my hand is, and all you do is just push it down and the whole light slides out, right? So this light is slightly loose because the bracket here is split, so I need to get a new one of those. Now that's all it is. As you can see, it's moving. Push this bracket down and the assembly comes out. Okay, that's how easy it is to take a light out on this. There's not really a lot that holds it in place. Okay, that's the plug up here. It's kind of dislodged itself as I pulled it out. Right. Right, what I'm going to do is turn the light around so you can see that. Okay, you got the ballast. That's what I was talking about, the HID ballast sitting on the back there, which is that there, and that's an original one because it says Philips on it, and the aftermarket, the main dealers only tend to use Philips bulbs. Right, so it's got tabs on either side, and it's got a T10 Torx over here, which we're going to undo. Okay, so that exposes the back of all the bulbs. Right, so your D1 bulb there, or D1S should I say, this just nicely clips off like so, and I believe you still have a T10 Torx there. Okay, so let's try and unscrew this then. Try not to apply too much pressure. These lights not the strongest, to be honest with you. Hopefully you guys can see this. Try not to drop the screws. Right, sorry, just remember how you take it out. Connection pointing at the top, not that you can get it wrong because the connection's here, it won't reach on the other side. That whole assembly comes out. Now if you look here, you got that bracket right there, okay? So now I'm going to take that bracket off. So that's the bracket on the actual new bulb. They just slide off like so, push on like so, okay? New bulb, don't forget how it goes back in. And remember, you don't want to touch the filament. Really, you should be wearing the material gloves, but I choose to wear rubber gloves. Even with the material gloves, you shouldn't really be touching the filaments. Well, sorry, I keep saying filaments, but the actual gas charge bit of the bulb. Okay. It's slightly more difficult with the camera in my way, but it's handy to know how to do these things. So guys, if you have any requests for any videos that you want to see, please feel free to drop me a message, or feel free to comment down below. Even if it's something small in general, you'd be surprised what's not covered out there on YouTube. Right, that's secure. Okay, clipped back in. Right, that's done. All I'm going to do is put the cover back on refit the light, and I'm going to switch the lights back on so you can kind of see the difference between the left and the right. Okay, see you in a second. Right guys, so you can see the difference. You can see the right hand side is more bluey, more crisper, more sharper. The left hand side is a bit more yellowy. Now when I had them side by side as one pair, the original bulbs, you probably thought, oh, that's not too bad of a light. But going down country lanes, it almost feels like you're back to halogen bulbs. So I'm hoping this will make a bit of a difference. So I will be doing a trip down the country lanes and filming it and letting you know what the new bulbs are like. Right, so we're gonna now do the other side. Right guys, so we're on one of the country roads. As you can see, it's lighting up quite nicely. A quite big difference from the other 4,300K lights. Like I said, it was kind of like going back to the old halogen. So this is quite good. It's quite a cold winter's day today. We're probably looking at about 6 degrees at the moment. And it's close to 6:30 p.m. So yeah, it's definitely hitting winter now. We're just going to turn right here into some real dark country lanes. You should be able to see how it performs. I'm just going to switch over to full beams. There's nothing coming in front of me, and you can see it lights up pretty well. So yeah, here you have it. Quite a good investment, not a bad bulb for £20 off Amazon. To be honest with you, I can't see the Philips ones, which are a lot more money. They would entail about £120 a pair, where this was £20 a pair. So I really can't see that much difference in the bulb. But yeah, I'm quite impressed with them. So, you know, if you guys are wary of buying cheaper bulbs, I would say don't be. Some people say you buy cheap, you buy it twice, but I don't know, in this instance I'm quite happy with it, to be honest. Again, I would probably use this. I'm going to buy an upgraded pair for my E55 AMG. So, you know, don't think I'm only buying this because it's a Ford Focus. I would put these in my AMG without a doubt. So yeah, here you have it guys. All good. Any questions, give me a shout, feel free to comment, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Please subscribe and like. Thanks very much.